Why does my Volvo S40 make a ticking noise when idle from certified mechanics in Los Angeles? Volvo S40 is one of the most sought-after luxury sedan in the world. However, of late, drivers of Volvo S40 are complaining about hearing a knocking noise from the car. There are various factors that can lead to ticking noise from the engine. Here are some factors that lead to ticking noise from your Volvo S40. Inadequate engine oil. The engine oil is responsible for lubricating the various components of the engine for their efficient functioning. At times, due to low levels of engine oil, drivers have to deal with excessive wear and overheating issues. However, there are several instances where low levels of oil also cause ticking noise from the engine. The metal parts of the engine rub against each other due to friction, and this produces the ticking noise. Knocking rod. This might not be common, but knocking of the rod in the engine also produces a ticking noise. It is easy to identify ticking noise caused due to a bad rod because this noise turns into a loud knocking sound. The ticking noise from the rods is caused due to worn out bearings in your car. This is not going to heat up your engine, but you are going to see fluctuations in the RPM. Valves not in place. A maladjusted valve train often leads to a ticking noise from the engine of your car. There are two types of valves in your car, the intake and exhaust valve. These valves are used in your car to pull the air in and force the exhaust gases out of the engine. Your owner's manual contains all the details about taking care of the valves in your car. Conclusion. These are some of the leading factors behind the ticking noise from your Volvo S40. Take your Volvo S40 to a certified garage to diagnose and fix the issues.